the frontman of the Hives, Pelle Almquist. We have Tokyo Hotel's Bill Kaulitz, Germany's only Motown recording artist, Joy Delilana, and of course, the producer of all producers. I personally just call him my boo. Here he is, Tony Visconti!
Good evening. Thank you. It's so good to see you again. How's everybody doing? And isn't this a fine selection of jurors we have here on stage? Aren't they pretty and beautiful?
EMF's unbelievable. Think about the first record you ever owned. What was it? You're supposed to reply. You're supposed to say the same record.
Listen, you have a new album coming out, and last year you said that it would be a dance thing from outer space. So we know that a lot of things can happen within a year. So the question is it the alien rave that you teased back then?
I think what I meant by that was that it was the album that I've enjoyed the most making, but it's not necessarily the most personal. I feel like I've got myself into a place of escapism where I just want to dance and I want to enjoy singing the music and playing the music and having a bit more fun with it. Whereas my last album was a lot more serious, and so but I liked being in that space then. But then since the pandemic and lots of other things that have happened in my life, I really just want to sing songs that I truly just want to have fun with at the moment. I know it sounds very kind of simple and cliche, but that's really it. A lot of people are making dance albums now, and I think it's just what people want. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong, but like, I don't want to back that.